In the FLL competition, there's lots of wheels to choose from, and it becomes hard for rookie teams to distinguish them and see which wheel best suits their robot. In this video, we'll solve that problem, and we'll tell you which wheel is best for your robot so you can gain lots of points and complete missions. Good wheels have speed, compactness, and accuracy. And we'll talk about all three of these topics throughout this video. First, let's start off with speed. Fast wheels include motorcycle wheels and 68x36 wheels. Using the large spike prime wheels would also be fast, but the motorcycle wheels would be faster. This robot by Zachary Trotwin has motorcycle wheels, so it has more time to complete lots of missions. Next, we have compact wheels. The 67x14 spike prime wheels and the 68x36 wheels are both compact wheels because they're not too large, but the spike prime wheels are less wide. So, if you want a very compact robot, use them. This robot on the left by BuilderDude37 uses the wheels. So, they have lots of space to add lots of sensors and important key elements of the robot. Accuracy tips. Big wheels are less accurate, use programming to get more accurate results, and spike prime wheels collect dust. Starting off, less accurate, bigger wheels. Here I'm testing with multiple runs to see the consistency of bigger wheels, such as the 68x36 wheels. As you see here, there's a large inconsistency. Even though it's small, it adds up. To fix this, go to the programming, your spike prime program, click extensions and more movement. Then click the brake on stop block. The hold position thing you could choose, so basically it removes this because it uses power from the motor to move back if it moves forward a bit, so you get consistent results. Another thing you should use is the built-in 6-axis gyro, the hub. We'll talk about this in another video. Finally, the spike prime wheels attract dust. This is hard to clean, and sometimes you get inconsistent results. The same way I showed you with the big wheels, but on a larger scale. The small spike prime wheel is compact and small, but it collects dust and not very fast. Overall, this is a wheel you should stay away from, even though it looks good and is small. The large spike prime wheels are fast, but they collect dust, are less accurate, and they're very large. So this is also not a good wheel to use in your robot. Motorcycle wheels are better though, because they're fast, doesn't collect dust, but they're less accurate and they are large. Finally, we have the last wheel, the 68x36 wheel. It's fast, but not too tall either. And it's also accurate, but it's wide. But it's the best wheel you should use it in your FLL robot. The 64.4x20 wheel is better, but LEGO stopped selling them, so if you get your hands on them, be sure to use them. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video on FLL Tech Guide. Thank you.